In this tutorial, you will be learning creating coordinated loading task and unloading task. The coordinated tasks are when two or more operators are needed to be completing the given task. So we are going to learn how the single box is going to be picked up by these two operators together, because that's heavy, and then they are going to unload that onto this processor for getting processed. So this is what we are going to understand in this today's tutorial by using process flow and in detail understanding more tips, tricks and many more. So this is how your model will be looking like when we complete our tutorial, and that is what you are supposed to watch till end of the tutorial. So if you see now, these two operators are supposed to come and lift the heavy box, as the boxes which are greater than 40 kgs would be coming to this large cube. These two operators would be lifting those and then putting onto the processor. So this is the goal for today's tutorial. So do watch that till end and let us meet in the tutorial now. Go down now. What we're gonna do here is we can rename this to main task sequence and stuff like that, or we can also keep it as same. So let us keep it as same so we do not have to edit these properties here. In the destination of the travel, probably, right? What we are supposed to do is we are supposed to ask them to travel to the large queue. Simple. Then we have a load activity. Everything remains same. Load is going to be your box. Okay. Load is going to be your box, and item container is going to stay there. Travel is another thing. Again, the destination is going to be what? It is not going to be this processor again. Okay. So you need to do the travel as token dot processor, because that is we have already assigned that at the top, right? So it is going to travel to the processor. Oh, what is this? We got a resource in middle. I'm just deleting this. We don't need that. Okay, perfect. Then we were traveling to the processor, and then we unload the thing that is the box onto what? Onto processor. Okay, so onto the processor. So we unloaded that. Finished our sequence. What we are gonna release? We're gonna release main operator, which we considered. Right? So here comes the main operator that has been correct. Fantastic. So we are supposed to save this part here, and once we save this model, now we are ready to look into other domain, and that is creating this secondary transport task here. Now what we're going to do is we are going to put another activities here. So congratulations, you have created first part of coordinated task sequence of creating a heavy transport task logic. Now let us create secondary transport task logic, and let us see how that is going to work. Now what you want to do is you want to create secondary tasks, the transport task. So now let us add the activities to the system. So what we want, the new operator should be acquired. Okay. We haven't put any properties as of now. So let us put the travel thing there. Okay. Let us put another travel in middle, where they are supposed to travel to the processor B. This travel is to the large queue. And then we will put in the release activity here, so our operator gets released. Now what we are going to do is we are going to put the secondary transport logic activities out there. Okay. So activity thing we are going to fill in. So let us again select the acquire thing as the operators. Okay, we can rename this to say assistant. Okay, let us make this as assistant, and we are supposed to travel the what? We are going to make this assistant travel to destination, and the travel destination is supposed to be what? What is that going to be? We are supposed to ask this person to travel to the secondary location, and that is going to be the queue, right? So let us assign that operator to the queue, right? So what I'll do is I'll put a destination as larger queue, And in the acquire, I have tokened assistant. This is perfectly going okay. And the assistant operator, and then in the assistant task, we're gonna put that things there. Large queue is going to go, then he is supposed to go to the processor. Okay, now that is already been acquired from the top, and we put here as assistant, and we are going to travel to the processor, and then we are supposed to release the token.assistant. We're gonna release token.assistant. Okay, so let me do that. So we have assigned, we have released the assistant now, and this way we have completed our process flow modeling completely. Now let us make connections and take a look how our model is supposed to be looking like. Okay, so let me connect this to the travel. Okay, and then I have to connect this travel to release. Is this correct? No, this is wrong. You have to connect to the synchronized thing as well, and then only this logic of handling the task together is going to work. So we have to very cautiously connect these to the synchronize, and then again to another synchronize. Okay, and then we are going to connect that to the travel. We're going to connect it to the travel, and then we are going to connect it to the synchronize, and we are going to connect again to the another travel synchronize, and then we are again going to connect it to the release. Okay, so this is how the things are going to get connected. If you see, right, it is all getting connected out here. So our secondary task is connected. This release has to be again brought back to wait for event, because till the box is getting processed, we don't want anything new to be just getting in. So that is where this process flow works. It holds its wait for the event unless my processor's processing is completed. Now let us take a look at this by running if that works. Okay, now synchronized activity must have same number of connectors as in as connectors out. Now there is some problem here. If you could look, we have here, we don't see here, we see here as well. There is a problem here. I just would delete this. Okay, I see this 122 again, 122. This is perfect. Here also I see 122, but I don't see here 122. So let me just connect this. Now we have that 122. Now let us reset again and see if that is, we have no error now. And now we can try running, and let's see if there is any another error coming. Hopefully it would not be. This is our complete process flow, how it would be looking like. Let us hit a run and see how that works. Let me have that set it into one angle. Fantastic. I want, one second. We haven't connected create heavy boxes to this. That is very important. And what happened? Let us connect this to the acquire thing here, and now our process flow is complete. Let us reset and run. So things should be moving this way. Let us see, making the model fast, and let us see what we are going to see. We must see a red box soon. Now coming red box is here. Where is the red box? Yeah, we got a red box now. Okay, is waiting for this operator to get assigned. Whichever the operator is going to get assigned, right? That is going to be our main operator. So probably this would be our main operator because his processing is going to get first done. So he goes, he's going there because he already had these tasks to be completed. Okay, that's where he will complete all these first, and then only he is supposed to come here. Okay, let us see when he's going to come and work there, because now he's coming, and both are coming, guys. See, both are coming here, and here our logic works. The coordinated task tutorial is hence concluded and completed. Guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, guys, and do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com for such exciting stuff. So now let me see what's happening, whether that's working. Yeah, they loaded the part, and they're taking that part to the system, that is processor B. And hence, our coordinated task sequence is done. Great. And here comes the end of the tutorial. Let us meet in another interesting video, guys. Till then, do not forget to visit our website and our channel for more such tutorials, not only for Flexsim, industrial AI, Python, and much more. Thank you. Bye-bye.